Hello, everyone. Today I'm going to show you what I have going on my Diigo account. I just added a whole bunch of what I've been doing this week. In Dr. P's class, she has you watch a lot of YouTube videos, and I'm not in a special ed emphasis, but there's some really good videos on just kind of understanding what kids are going through, and I just thought they were pretty interesting. There's some TED Talks here. Another thing that I've been doing in another class, scientific methods, was looking for virtual tours, and there's a lot of them for the Smithsonian Museum, which is pretty cool because you can like actually go through the museum and look at different exhibits. So I put that, and then also been studying for my elementary education subtests. So I have that right to the link of practice tests and like what you need to do to pass the test. So I just really started using it. So I do like that I can go back and find other things that I haven't seen in a while, but that's pretty much it.